this all down again. I can't hide it forever. Another day goes by. It's all getting deeper. Once more your plans get in the way of all the words that I had planned. This time it's so much bigger. Can't change it, never wanted to. Feelings for nothing, yet falling for anything. Holding me close, and yet I never met you. All these dreams, and still no truth. Every few drive me deeper for you. Wishing I could be somewhere in these words she unravels. Does she know what she's doing to me? I don't know. Give me something new to do. You're not the easiest to please. I know you don't want this. Nothing gave to trying. This could never work. I know, you know. Useless words have fallen. They've fallen away. Fallen away. Feelings for nothing, yet falling for anything. Holding me close, and yet I never met you. All these dreams and still no truth. Every few drive me deeper for you. Deeper for you. Leave it to me to notice you had the ice to skate on. The concrete will have to do, 'cause that's you. Give me something new to do. You're not the easiest to please. I know you don't want this. Nothing gave to try. This could never work. I know, you know. Useless words have fallen. They've fallen away. They've fallen away. They've fallen away. Fallen away. Swallowing this all down again, but I can't hide it forever. If you said to throw away the bottle, hide all the lighters and flush every stash, well then I would do that for you. But you would never ask me to, and that's one more reason to fall in love with you. You say you want me to enjoy this too. And if you ask the world of me, I'd give you the galaxy if I could. If you said put on a tie and lie like the rest, well then I would do that for you. But to you it's you and I couldn't disagree if I tried to. And that's one more reason to fall in love with you. You say you want me to enjoy this too. And if you ask the world of me, I'd give you the galaxy if I could. So I'll do the next best thing and give you the best of me. But I know it's not quite the galaxy. But hang on, and maybe, baby, you'll see. I can't deny I'm feeling it. Will you feel this? I'm falling in it, love, baby. Yep, there it went. I've slipped in, I've sipped in, I drank 3 times. And I'm confessing that it's wishing I've renounced, which is why I found myself supplied by my soul. Yeah, fit it, fuck it, fill it to my molding head here when it's full. My moon, my space, my gravitational pull. Babe, I can't help but love you. We tried, we don't feel ashamed. Yeah, we tried, and in time, we may figure out. We let us slip by, and if this time it all feels right, well then babe, let's hold on to tonight. Yeah, we tried, and we'll never talk about it. Let's forget about it for now. In time, we may figure out that we're all the same. That we're all the same. I love you, and I'll always be the same. I'm one small town kid, dreaming of packing it up and running away. But the road is just a joke to us who had dreamt this way. And I'm working on my 30s now, and it feels like a gun to my brain. Let's just figure out how to take this out, how to take this straight from your mouth. And I'm scared to hell right now, because I know that you're all that I know. It could be you and me without ever feeling this way anymore. Well, I'm one small town kid, packing it up and running away. But the road is just a joke to us who have dreamt this way. And I'm scared to hell right now, because I know that you're all that I know. It could be you and me without ever feeling this way anymore. It could be you and I evermore. This is a song for the faint of hope. We could go far, I know. All that time you feeling choked, you like it now, I know. And now I finally found you, girl, the one I love, the one I know. Don't you forget that you're the one who came around when it was all undone. Just when you think it's all too hard, she comes along, so disregard. She came along like a hurricane, and we never even knew her name. But who's to blame? We have no shame. It's up to us, we make the rules, play the game. And just when you think it's all too hard, she comes along, so disregard. Stay a while, have a drink, kick off those shoes, forget to think. In reverie we tend to see we had what we needed, we just needed to be free. And just when you think it's all too hard, she comes along, so disregard.